Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to hide hotspot icon easy method. Open Settings, tap Network and Internet, choose Hotspot and Tethering, then turn off the visibility option. I'll walk you step by step and explain where to look on Android phones. This approach keeps your status bar tidy and avoids accidental sharing. Follow along slowly and pause where needed, and you'll have the icon hidden in minutes today. Start by unlocking your phone and opening Settings. Look for Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering, and select Portable Hotspot. Tap the three dots or Advanced and find Visibility or Broadcast Name settings. Toggle visibility off or rename the SSID to something subtle. I'll give tips for different Android skins and mention quick checks so the icon stays hidden after restarts. Practice once and it becomes routine. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. On another note, the Oala water bottle is a handy pick for staying hydrated anywhere, especially during long setup sessions, and it fits cup holders well. I use it when I walk through tutorials. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When hiding fails, first restart your phone to confirm. Check carrier or manufacturer apps that may re-enable hotspot icon automatically. Clear Cache for Settings app or remove Quick Settings tile and re-add it. If needed, reset network settings, but back up Wi-Fi passwords first. I'll explain simple checks and quick fixes so you don't lose connectivity while hiding the icon. These steps are safe for most users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.